All right, guys, I've got a plan how we can turn mercury into gold. Okay, so this is how we're going to make the money. We're going to take mercury and turn it into gold. So how do we do that? Well, let me explain the background a bit. So the number of protons in an element determines what the element is. So in the case of mercury, it has 80 protons, so it's mercury. This is its atomic number. Next up, we have gold. That is 79 protons. Now, the reason most people go for lead, I'm not really sure, but that has 82 protons. So that's 3 protons off from where we want to be. So starting with mercury is going to be a lot easier because all we have to do is knock off one of those protons. So how do we do this, I hear you ask? Well, there's a couple of things we need. Firstly, we need a particle accelerator. I think there's one in Switzerland, so maybe we can borrow that or ask someone else who has one. See if your neighbor's got one or something like that. And what we're going to do, we're going to shoot high energy neutrons at the mercury and knock off one of the protons. Then that's going to give us gold because then it has 79 protons, which is all great, right? The other thing we might need, which we probably won't want to pay for, is it's going to be very high energy costs. So maybe we can plug it into the other neighbor's electricity or something like that and get some free energy because it's going to be very expensive, but we don't have to pay for it. We just borrow everything. Another downside, it might be a bit radioactive potentially. So I don't know if we're going to store that or how we're going to get around that, or if you sell it to someone, it might be a bit messed up. So we might just have to sit on it for a bit. But apart from that, all we have to do is turn a bunch of mercury into gold and then we're going to be minted. So let me know if you're in. We can try and work it out, maybe go through the plan a bit more. But I think it's a pretty solid plan. And then, yeah, we can just crash the world's gold supply.